see. Let me see. Let me see. Yo. All right, let me see how it sounds. All right, yeah, I sound good. I sound good. All right. All right, mic check, mic check. For sure, for sure. This is beautiful. All right, got that situated. Get that out the way real quick. So I just want to do a couple setups for tomorrow. Then I'll be ending the stream. Talk about some of the market. We'll talk about market data for tomorrow. We got FOMC for tomorrow, so it's gonna be some crazy ish going on. tomorrow. FOMC member Williams speak. Oh man, but this the one at 10 p.m. that we're looking for. Powell speaks at 10 p.m. My time is Central America. I'm Central America right now. So it's gonna be 10 for me. It's gonna be 8 for. It's gonna be 8 o'clock for the Western Coast, and it's gonna be 11 o'clock for the East Coast. Let's see what we can do tomorrow. We made about $80 today. We can see what we can do tomorrow. Always keep a journal. Always write down. Always, write down and look over your plays and your trades and shit. Always look over your plays so you can and journal them. Journal them down. Write them down so you can have something to look over. Next time you go into a trade, so you can look back and be like, what can you do better than? And then you're growing. You're gaining more knowledge. You're gaining experience. Then once you gain experience with the knowledge that you're gaining, you're going to excel in this. Promise you. It takes patience and discipline and consistency. You gotta stay consistent and disciplined in this game to win. Literally, if you trade every single day, you're gonna win more than a person that only trade twice a week, 4 times a month, or 6 times a month. Yeah, but you're trading every trade day, or every day that look good to you, but he only trading on these strict 2 days, Tuesdays and Fridays. So for Friday, May 19th, 2023, we have Fed Chair Jerome Powell speaking. Shit, I'm fried. My bad. I should call this the the fried shit. for the fried list, the fried watch list, for sure. My fault. But yeah, let's see. We have earnings tomorrow. Let me go back to the core real quick. Core. Let's go here. Tap into the website. We got www.watchlisttrades.com. Use code I am wealthy for 10% off. For sure. Oh shit, my bad. Economic news and data. We got Friday. We ain't got nothing Friday. Raws. So this week wasn't really nothing, but we got FOMC this week for sure. We'll look at that. Got SPY on the hour. This SPY. Okay, this SPX. We got SPX on the 4 hour. Let's see how we doing. Market so far. Okay, so we broke this level with great volume, with great rise in volume, I should say. So tomorrow could be a confirmation candle, or it can tell us where we are headed. Where we're headed right now. Right now, I'm saying bullish. Look at these past 3 candles. We see it right here bouncing off the 9 EMA with this nice bullish candle right here. You see it got this nice body, nice upper half, and it got this tail wick right here. Nice long tail wick. This is a great play right here. It's on the 4 hour. So this is yesterday. Yesterday was great. We had a doji. Then we came back up here. We broke this. Then we came down. We tested it. This was this is a weak bullish candle. You see right here it has a bigger lower body, and then it has a longer tail wick, and this can indicate. This can indicate that more sellers are pushing the buyers, out the market right now. And then right here, this candle just shot up with just great volume, little to no wicks. Right here, it had a longer tail wick, and it had a, shorter head wick. And then the body, it has this, it's gray, it's long. It broke this level with great volume. This 4,191.93 level. Definitely looking at SPY now. SPY broke. They're kind of looking the same. We have a longer tail wick, was showing that buyers are in the market, are pushing the sellers out in the market, and it's bouncing off this 90 MA. All right, off of this level right here. I think this is a smart money level. I'm pretty sure. Whatever this level is, it was perfect for sure. Boom, bounced up, and it had this. This is a strong candle. Even though it had little or no wick, smart money is in the market. Boom. These 2 wicks right here. This is good, I say. It's coming over strong bullets, but these head wicks is kind of look concerning. We can come up here. We might come up here, break a little bit, might come back down. But if we don't, we might come back down a little bit. We always need to pull back in order to see continuation to the upside. You know what I mean? So don't always look at pullbacks as something bad, but you also can profit off pullbacks. From puts. You know what I mean? Puts. You can bet on the market to go down. That's what I love about options. Options, you can bet on the market to go up, which is calls, or you can bet on the market to go down, which is puts. Right now, looking a little bullish, which means the market is going up right now. It's green. If I said the market is bearish, bearish means that the market is red is going down. So the downtrend, you know what I mean? Downtrend, continuation, continued rejections to the downside. Higher, lower lows, lower highs, and upside, higher highs and higher lows to the upside. You know what I mean? This is great. This is a great tool you should learn. The stock market. Learn the stock market. Learn how to trade. Learn about your economy. Once you learn your economy, then also learn how to be financially literate. Have financial literacy. In this day and age, there's so much money out here. There has been more money that there has since 2008 to 2020 and they printed all that in 1 year in 2020. So imagine all that money that's out here right now flowing, all the jobs and businesses that boomed in 2020, and there still is room. There's and the recession make the best and most millionaires. The highest, I think some of the highest, public billionaires and millionaire traders, they have been made in a recession. This is a great time because when you buy low, eventually if you invest in a good business that has good long-term economics, you will see that it will recover in a bull market or a bullish market. But if it doesn't recover, it doesn't have great long-term economics, and you can see that just by I gotta get more into that myself. I ain't gonna lie to you. This is why this is episode number 1 on the No Time Wasted podcast. The No Time podcast, the No Time Wasted podcast will be out. I don't know yet, but just know that I will have it together for sure. I will have it together. Just know that watchlist trades will be on your Instagram page, sponsored. Me talking, me helping you to become financially literate. Me and helping you and me help you get some money for sure. I'm gonna help you get some money while I'm trying to help myself get some bread. I got some bread, you know what I mean? Let's take this crowd serious. Hour, same thing. Breaking it with 30. Bounce. 5. We can see possible retest tomorrow. 5. Has to work in the morning. But yeah, this is it right now, and I'm gonna most definitely tap in with y'all guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna be in here calling out plays.